Passive income is income earned without having to actively work for it. It's a way to make money while you sleep or work on other projects, and it's an attractive prospect for many people who are looking for financial stability and freedom. In this video, we'll explore some of the best passive income methods and how you can get started with them. 1. Rental properties. Rental properties are a popular source of passive income, particularly for those who have a knack for real estate. This method involves buying a property and renting it out to tenants, earning a regular income from the rent they pay. While there are upfront costs involved in purchasing a rental property, such as a down payment, closing costs, and any necessary repairs or renovations, the long-term benefits can be significant. To be successful with rental properties, it's important to research the local rental market and find a property in a desirable location that will attract quality tenants. It's also important to set a fair rental price and be prepared for the responsibilities of being a landlord, such as handling repairs and maintenance, collecting rent, and screening tenants. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay a regular dividend to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. These dividends are a portion of the company's profits, and they can provide a reliable source of passive income for investors. While the amount of the dividend can fluctuate based on the company's performance, investing in a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks can provide steady income over time. To invest in dividend stocks, it's important to research the companies you're interested in and look for those with a history of consistent dividend payments. It's also important to consider the overall health of the company and its future growth prospects. Many investors choose to invest in dividend-paying mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to diversify their holdings and reduce risk. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individuals to lend money to borrowers through an online marketplace. These platforms facilitate loans for a variety of purposes, such as personal loans, business loans, and debt consolidation loans. As a lender, you can earn passive income by collecting interest on the loans you fund. To get started with P2P lending, you'll need to sign up with a reputable platform and create an account. You can then browse available loan listings and choose the ones you want to fund. It's important to diversify your investments across multiple loans to reduce the risk of default. While P2P lending can provide a high rate of return, it's important to remember that it is not without risk, and you may lose money if borrowers default on their loans. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on behalf of another company and earning a commission for any sales or leads generated through your unique affiliate link. This can be a lucrative source of passive income for those with a strong online presence or a targeted audience. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program with a company that offers products or services relevant to your audience. You can then promote these products or services through your website, social media channels, or email list. It's important to be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products or services that you believe in and are relevant to your audience. 5. Create digital products. Creating digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or software, can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you've created the product, you can sell it online and earn money from every sale without having to actively work on it. To create a successful digital product, it's important to identify a need or gap in the market and create a product that solves that problem. You'll also need to create high-quality content and market the product effectively to reach your target audience. While there may be upfront costs involved in creating a digital product, such as design or development expenses, the potential for passive income can make it a worthwhile investment. 6. Royalties. Royalties are payments made to an individual or company for the use of their intellectual property, such as music, books, or patents. This can be a great source of passive income for those with creative or innovative ideas. To earn royalties, you'll need to create intellectual property that has value and can be licensed for use by others. This can involve writing a book, creating music, or developing a new invention. Once you've created your intellectual property, you can license it to others and earn royalties from its use. 7. Investing in REITs. Real estate investment trusts are a type of investment that allows individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate properties without having to own the properties themselves. REITs typically pay out a high dividend yield, providing a reliable source of passive income. To invest in REITs, you can buy shares in a publicly traded REIT or invest in a private REIT through a real estate crowdfunding platform. It's important to research the REITs you're interested in and consider factors such as their dividend yield, portfolio composition, and management team. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn passive income, and the best method for you will depend on your skills, interests, and financial goals. Whether you choose to invest in real estate, stocks, or digital products, the key is to find a source of income that aligns with your values and provides long-term financial stability. With patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn, anyone can build a successful passive income stream.